Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by shaping 4 6-ounce patties with a light touch so they stay tender. Make a shallow thumbprint to prevent doming. Once done, season the outsides with about 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper per patty just before they hit the pan. Salt early draws moisture. Heat a heavy skillet to roughly 375 degrees 400 degrees F and add a tablespoon of high smoke oil. The pan must be hot so you get a quick sear and flavor from the. You place patties in the hot skillet spaced apart so steam escapes and a crust forms. If you crowd the pan, they steam instead of sear. Once the first side sizzles and browns, about 3 to 4 minutes for a medium cook, flip once using a thin spatula. Avoid pressing, which squeezes juices out. After flipping, add cheese in the final minute if desired and monitor internal temp with a probe. 130 degrees F rare, 140 degrees F medium, 160 degrees F well. Let carryover heat finish. You remove burgers and rest them for 3 to 5 minutes. This step lets juices redistribute so your bite isn't dry. Meanwhile, toast buns in the skillet for 30 to 60 seconds in the flavored fat for a better mouthfeel. Assemble with condiments that balance fat and acid. If you find cross-section doneness uneven or edges overcooked, immediately lower heat to medium-low, cover the pan for a minute or two to finish through, and check with the thermometer to avoid overcooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.